up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. The hair that I'm installing today is from Megalook. All the information will be in the description box below. So this wig here, as you can tell, this is a 613 by 4 30-inch blonde wig, and this is just a close-up of the hairline. You know, Megalook pre-plucks the hairlines for you, and it looks really natural. And this is just an inside look of the construction of the wig. So as you can see, it's on a dome cap and has this blonde elastic band. This is a look at what the lace looks like. So if you want to see me install this wig, you got to keep on watching. So I started off with a wig cap on because I thought I was going to use one, but I was like, no, we're going to take this off. Anytime I do frontal installs, I never use a wig cap because I feel like my style, or the style, looks more natural without one. So now I'm just taking my edge booster and just slicking back my edges and my sideburns here and just making it sleek. So now I'm just taking my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses and a flat top brush, and I'm just going to color the inside of the lace, especially because one, this is 613 blonde hair, and I want to make sure it blends with my skin, and then also I'm not using a wig cap, so I want to make the inside look brown. And the only thing I don't like about installing wigs without a wig cap is it is a little tricky to slide it on your head. The wig caps really keep your natural hair, you know, like together and in place. So it's like you kind of have to fight with your natural hair to get it tucked underneath the wig. But once it's under the wig, it's fine. So I'm just taking a look here, and I really like how the hairline looks. I'm just making sure everything fits right. And so now the next thing I'm going to do is cut the ear tabs. So I actually discovered a new way to cut my ear tabs, and I'm so mad I didn't do this a long time ago. But instead of cutting like the ear tabs off like around my sideburns, I'm going to cut like behind the lace. Like as you can see here, I'm cutting behind the lace, and I'm going to pull it forward so that it actually covers my long sideburns, because before I would like cut it off, and partly because I honestly just didn't know what I was doing. But yeah, so I just decided to cover them up, especially since my hair is black, and especially since I'm not using a wig cap. I want to keep it covered to try and blend it in. So next I'm going to apply the glue. I'm just rolling back here. I'm using the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. It's the green kind. I think it smells like watermelon. But I'm just spot applying the glue because, as you can see, I have one of those funky hairlines. My hairline doesn't go straight across. It does like this wave pattern, and then also it comes down pretty far on the sides, but then it goes back at the top, as you can see. So at the top, I'm applying like a really thick and wide layer here, like about like maybe an inch or two wide, and this really helps the wig stay down. And then like on the sides, I'm applying it in between where my natural hair is. And then later I go over that with like some even spray. So I let that sit for about 10 minutes, and now I'm cutting off the lace. I'm using my fabric scissors with the little zigzag, whatever, pattern that I got from Amazon. I like this because it cuts the lace like, you know, in a zigzag pattern, which helps it blend more effortlessly. This lace is really simple to cut, so I'm just gonna get the rest off. So off camera, I sprayed the even spray on the lace and I wrapped my edges. And so while they sit, I'm going to define, or not define, but I'm going to do my part. I decided to do a side part with this and throw some curls in there. I thought it'd be really cute. So I'm just taking my wax stick and my Got To Be Free spray and my hot comb and just defining the part on the side. So now it's time for me to do my baby hairs. So as you can see, I always have to do baby hairs on the side to cover up my natural hair that winds up sticking out from the wigs. And especially since this is blonde and my hair is black, definitely want to make sure to cover that. So I'm doing baby hairs right here, and I'm going to curl them, and then of course I'm going to do them on the sides, so I can have like my little swoop so it can look cute with my side part. Also, I just want to mention, like, to swoop my baby hairs, initially I used my black gel, but I realized black gel and blonde hair does not mix very well. It made my hair look brown. It made like the edges look brown, and I'm like, oh, this is blonde hair, I don't want to have blonde hair brown edges. So what I wound up doing the next day, that I did off camera, is I actually laid my edges with my edge booster, since that was clear. I didn't have any clear gel, and I didn't want to use foam because I feel like foam lifts the lace for me. So I just used my edge booster. So it was getting really dark, so I just decided to come back the next day to finish my hair since I had somewhere to go anyway. So now I'm just pulling back my hair and I'm going to do my sideburns. I'm doing this because I have naturally long sideburns, so I just want it to cover up my natural sideburns, especially since this is blonde hair. And then, like I said earlier, I'm going to be curling this hair. I used my wand that I got from Amazon. I like this wand because it has a really long barrel and it's good for long hair since this is 30 inches. So I just threw some wand curls in there really quickly. And I do want to mention that I was doing my hair here in the morning, and the curls lasted like pretty much all day. So curls lasted really, really well with this hair. So I was really happy with that. So after letting my edges sit for a little bit, I'm just going to do some finishing touches on my hair. Here I wound up putting some concealer on my part, and I actually wound up regretting this. I called myself using the lightest concealer that I had, but for some reason it still wound up looking kind of yellow off camera, like in real life. So I kind of wish I just hadn't have used that. I feel like I could have got away without defining the part. Like, I think it still would have looked fine, but that's whatever. And now I'm just going and taking my scissors and just cutting some layers in the front bang just a little bit, not too much, only because I want the bang part to kind of like fall on my face a little bit. So I'm just doing that. So I realized after I cut the hair, I kind of cut off the curls. So I'm just going to recurl it, and that is going to be that. So this is the final look, and I actually really, really love this hair. I was really nervous. Blonde, super blonde hair like this always makes me nervous, but my motto is you can wear whatever color you want to. Don't listen to people when they say, oh, certain skin colors can't wear certain whatever. Do what you want. And I wanted to wear platinum blonde, so that is exactly what I did. And I think it wound up looking cute. I love that the curls lasted all day. And when I say all day, really all day, like this is around 7 a.m. when I'm recording this video, and I didn't get home until like 7 that night, and the curls were like still in there. So I was really happy with that. Another thing I'll mention is that the 30 inches is really long, but I did wind up straightening it, and I actually prefer this wig straight. I felt like it looks cuter with the curls. I kind of feel like I look like Goldilocks. But yeah, definitely love this hair straight. But anyways, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Definitely go check that out, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.